Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another stream. Let's lower the music a little bit and get to our London session. So, I was actually anticipating waiting this candle to create a bottom wick, then I will enter on the flip, but we just need a bottom wick first. So, let me lower this music a little bit. Yeah. Let me delete this from our previous trading day. Alright, everything looks perfect, absolutely perfect. So what do we have today? Okay. I think you can hear me better like this. So let's wait for this candle to create a bottom wick, and then if it re-break the high, I'm gonna enter on the flip of this candle. So I will start with the top down analysis. Alright, let's remove this. Remember, as we were explaining yesterday, that gold main direction is up. The trend is bullish. Look at this, very clear, easy and simple. So on the daily we can see clearly that we are bullish, and here we have some sort of breakout. We break out and we created a support, and now we have a resistance over here and a support over here on the daily time frame, and anticipating gold to keep going to the upside, filling this range for about, like, this is MD, so 2200 pips. This is what I'm anticipating. This would be our goal for the week, probably. Yup, this would be the goal for the week, or even that week fill. Alright, so let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. What we can see here is really interesting. Let's fix this support and resistance area. It's perfect right about here. Look at the rejection, it's mostly touching this line perfectly, very beautifully. And we can see that we were stuck in this range for like about, I don't know, so it was for some days actually, about 4 days we've been stuck in this range. So I don't think I'm gonna enter anything, but I took a little trade on my other account. So it looks very clear breakout here on the 1-hour time frame. Very clear breakout. Look, this was beautifully here, but here is just impulse break. Stop break even. All right, so I just need this candle to create a bottom wick, and look, it's very, we have a clean range to fill till about here, 160 pips almost, or even it can keep going further. So we are extremely bullish for the day. We are just waiting for a retest from this area right here, like this. So it broke out, we need a retest, and then boom, we will enter like this. Possibly give me a second. Alright guys, sorry about that. It was someone, I think he lost his way. But we are still, I believe we are almost trying to create our bottom week now, which will be perfect for 30 next 30-minute candle, or even the 15 would be perfect. But I think if it created a bottom week, I'm not that much interested into buys anymore unless it creates a solid solid week. Yep, solid week. Wow, went about 100 pips exactly. Yeah, we would like to see a retest from this area right here, right here, this area right here, and we'll be ready to go. Perfect, everything looks perfect. Boom. Oh, so I can draw and it just moves by itself. So we need a retest from this area and then to go up. Wow, look how it disappears, guys. Wow, that's interesting. Or even, so best case scenario here, because we have a negative news for gold, is has ordered evacuation of what? Non-essential underhams from embassy in Baghdad, according to Allah. Oh, alright, so I think USA is afraid from Middle East right now. So it's better to see this red candle. We need a support to be formed here, and then we can enter. As simple and as like that. We need the support to be formed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we're back. Let's see. Oh, it looks like gold is cooking. Gold is cooking today, ladies and gentlemen. So we are just waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. And then when the 15-minute candle... What's this? My stream is playing somewhere else. How can I stop that shit? What the heck? Oh, sorry, that was some little technical issue, but never mind. Oh, oh, look at this setup. Look at this setup. It's so sexy, like a hot chick. So, yup, it's so nice. Guys. Mm, I think it would been much better on the 30 minute because this candle can stop us. So 41, 42. I think I'm in this trade on another account, not my funded account. I entered right here on the break and exactly right here, and my stop loss is here, but I entered on a different account, not this one. So we need this 15-minute candle to create a nice bottom wick, a really nice bottom wick we need. And there is something with this that I'm not comfortable with, which is, I don't know what is it, but what is it? Maybe it's the 30 minute, 1 hour, or because we rejected, maybe this week. But I'm just not fully comfortable for this setup. I don't know why there's something. Because there is no red candle. So we need to see a red candle first, at least on the 15-minute time frame. By that time, the 30 would have been already closed because this 15-minute time frame, it can go down. It can go down like this. This 15 can go down. It will stop us out, create a wick like this kind of wick, and then on the 30 minutes opening, boom, it will move like this, exactly like this, guys. So yeah, we have to be careful now, really careful with this gold now, with all this news coming up from nowhere. And actually the news is negative for gold, so gold shouldn't be moving up, it should be moving down. So yeah, I believe now it's just it's just absorbing the news. Yeah, gold is just absorbing the news. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look how it's failing all these traders who entered on buy. I'm sure a lot of traders entered on buy right here. Also me, I entered on another account on buy. Right here I entered, right here. My stop loss is like about 80 pips, but I'm risking very small position. So, and that's the take profit to the up of the range. Let's see, can it re-break this candle? Could it re-break the candle? Alright. Alright, it's re-breaking now. Come on, Goldie. This looks nice actually, but it's not an A plus setup for me. So I only take A plus setup, or especially on these funded accounts. I mean evaluation accounts. So yeah. Let's wait and see. This is what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for, guys. Who is this guy? There is someone's watching. Alright, man. Hey, bro, leave a comment. What are you doing like this, watching in silence? Never mind. Just chilling, right? Okay. Okay. It doesn't look bad actually. It doesn't look bad at all. Why it's so calm around here? Maybe we need some music. Let's light it up. Pump it. You know, bump it up. Don't you wanna bump it up? Gotta bump it up. Don't you know, bump it up? Alright. Look at this. It's moving now, guys. It's moving. It is moving. It's looking good actually. But not very good. Not the best. It's looking good, but not the best. Not the good that I would like to take, if you know what I'm saying. So that's why I will be patient and wait for better entry. What happened? Alright. Gold is moving up, guys. It's moving up now. It is moving up. Ding gold. It's moving up, guys. Alright, that's really nice move. It's not that bad move. Oh my gosh, look at that. It just pumped like 60 pips, 70 pips. Wow. Wow. Man, that's nice. I'm securing something right here. There's a position of 90 and 70 pips. Alright, 100 pips. I think I'm just securing I'm securing both. Man, what a great trade it was. I took it on my other account, not on this, but it was so nice trade. I entered exactly here, guys. Exactly here I entered. After this 15-minute candle closed. And the next one went to create a bottom wick. No, after it created a bottom wick and closed. And I secured most of my position here. But this is not the main trade of the day, actually. I am waiting for a better setup. It was an amazing trade. I think it ran about 100 pips, right? Wow. Yeah, it ran about 100 pips. Crazy. Insane. Insane. What a move. So I guess gold is ignoring this data, like inflation data and US data, and it's mostly driven by the war, the political situation that's happening now. So I'm waiting here now for this 30-minute candle to give us a nice closure or something that looks like this. This is the plan and this is the trade. So all what we do here is we plan the trade and we trade the plan So all what we need now, just a closure above this candle, and I believe gold will move to all-time high. It will go to about, man, it will move like, we are expecting a huge move, maybe 1,000 pips or more till this. So this is the next target area. It's right about here. This is the next target area, guys. Look, about 2,000 pips, almost 2,000 pips, because there is no other support and resistance after this area right here. So I will remove my limit for now, and 30-minute candle is going to close in about 6 minutes only. It's just 6 minutes for the 30-minute candle closure, and from there we are looking for buys above. Look, it's exactly, it happened like what I was anticipating here now. Buys above. Yeah, we need a little closure, or we can enter impulsively, but closure is better. So I'm not gonna write it because we can enter actually without a closure. Depends on how the candle close. So now I'm going to check if there is any recent resistance. I believe not. So if it close above this area or even break above this area, I believe we have a clean range to move to the upside. Same entry. Oh, so have you secured some profit, Abdullah? Have you secured anything? This is the real question. Because I had one entry. I had an entry. Let me show you. I'll show you now. Snapping. All right. What's this? So we are just waiting for the closure above, guys. Let's see how will this candle close. How will this candle close? Here, look! Look at this trade. Here. I think you can see. So this was my first entry. I entered here on this candle, and I entered here. Then price moved for about maybe 80-90 pips. I was actually waiting for the big push because I believe gold can move up further. And then I entered on the break of this candle, and then when this candle created a bottom wick, re-break its own, I entered again. This position was about 100, went 100 pips, and this was like 70 pips. Yeah, that's it. It was a nice trade, guys. Really, really nice trade. So we could anticipate an entry now on the 30-minute candle. If it closed like this, we can have also another entry, but we need it to close like this with a wick, and I believe we can enter somewhere. If the next candle created a bottom wick and then went to move up, why not? It's looking good. Oh, I don't think it's giving us a chance, guys. Alright. So 30-minute candle have just closed. Now it's a major volume time. I believe I don't think I can take anything here, guys. I think we have to wait. So either buys above or sells below this area right here. Yeah, we have to wait. Just be patient. And I'm sure we're gonna find a really good trade, amazing trade like yesterday. We have just to be patient. This can just shoot up now. It can just shoot up. But I'm gonna wait. So this 4-hour candle is closing in 28 minutes. So I believe I'm just going to wait a little bit more. We are not here to gamble. We are here to follow our plan and take good entries. And to be honest with you, sales looks much better. Sales below. We need a closure for sure. Closure. Sales look way much better. Look at that. Look how is it dumping now. Look how is it dumping now. Because we have a really... Ooh! What's this? What's this? We got some news over here. Alright, that's a lot of interesting news. Oh, so I think it's a, they say it's a fake news. There's something in the air about fake news, and this is not real. Maybe I don't know, bro. This is confusing actually. It is really confusing, but we're just take news as a confluence. What matters is price action here, how we perform. So that means this is good for gold, but it's not good for it's good for the dollar, but not good for gold. Mm. All right, so let's just wait for the news. Sorry, not the news. Let's wait for the closure. Yup, it's moving perfectly. Perfectly moving. Oh, we got a closure below now. Wow, it's gonna be the trade, the real trade, if we got a closure below. Let's check the DXY for a second. DXY, so it should be moving up, but wow, look at that, it's not moving up at all. So this news has something wrong, I think. This news is not good for the dollar. Alright, so where we was, let's go back to our MGC. Alright guys, what a volatile candle. Look at this candle, I'm sure it's more than 100 pip. It's 160 pip. Crazy move, guys. What a crazy move. What a crazy move. So we actually, so if you noticed here something, it's very magical, guys. There's something very magical that this candle didn't break the previous candle low. So we are still good for the buys, but not good for the sells. This is not good for the sells, but good for the buys. We need to see a break and close below this area and a break below this wick, the current wick. We will have about, look at this, like almost 300 pip, 400 pip range to fill. Could it happen? Most probably. There is a really high probability that it could happen today. Really high probability. Really high probability. What is it saying here? Gold test 2 months high. Of course, gold is going crazy. But there is no any news about Iran and oh, what's this? Chicago BMI. It's some bullshit. Think it's not important. Not related to our success. Yep. So now here is the question. Will it break to the upside, or it could just retest and move to the downside? Let's see what will happen. It's really important, guys, to be patient. You don't know how important it is, because if you know how important it is to be patient, you would have been already profitable. If you know how important it is to be patient. Okay, let me get some tea. and I will be right back. I'm gonna get some really delicious cup of tea and I will be right back. And I'm back. This wasn't long. So is gold going to close below or what's happening? Mmm. It's cooking, guys. gold Gold is cooking. I can see it. Mmm. Come on, come on. Opana! It's getting to the zone. It's getting to the zone. Alright. Alright. So all what we have to do is, as you know, of course, to wait. Look, I found a secret. I found a hidden area. It's right about here. Look at this. We need the closure below this area. Look, it's a hidden area. Yup. Now it looks more. Whoa. So perfect and elegant and precise. What is this though? 3 4. So if it was 3 5, will it be bad? Coordinate 3 5 exactly. Look at that preciseness, guys. 235, 5235. This is the area we are going to take. Either sells or buys. We can take both from this zone right here, because it's I believe it's a high order zone. Let's just double check. Double check this one. Today is 27. Alright, it's moving nicely. Very nicely. From today is 27. From here. Okay. So probably gold will move here, guys. Will move till this down area, because I believe there is a lot of orders there, and there is a high probability that it will go there. Or should we wait on the closure of the 30? Let's see if this 15-minute candle closes good. We can enter. If not, let's wait for the 30. Below here. Alright, 2 minutes left for candle to close. 2 minutes left. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Will it close below, or is it going to close above? Below or above? Come on, write in the comments below. In case it closed below or above, I believe it's both interesting. Let's see what's Nasdaq doing. Wow, it's melting. Why would it be melting if there is a good news for the dollar? What the heck? So it could be because of the war, I guess. Because of the Iran thingy. Let's see. Oh wow, that's really bad, guys. That pattern, it doesn't look good at all. It looks like this drop. I believe we will have soon like a huge drop. A huge drop in the Nasdaq, guys. A really huge drop. Look at this. It looks very ugly. If this weekly candle, it will close in 7 hours. If this weekly candle closed bearish, holy, this is gonna be ugly. It's gonna be really ugly for Nasdaq. All right, so we got it's a weird closure. I don't like to say it's a nice, but it is a weird closure. I just cannot, man. I cannot. This is a no trade range over here. No trade range. No. Let's write it in bold. No trade range. Careful. Let's write this in red. Oh. Yup. Looks sexy. Looks nice. Looks very nice. So on the 30 minutes, what does it look like? So on the 30 minutes, it looks like we have to wait. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. We have to wait. We have to wait for this candle to close below. And I think good entries will be below here, because the news is good for the dollar, is bad for gold, and I think it shouldn't move up. Or at least retest, grab some liquidity from down there, and then keep moving up. Who knows? Right here is the liquidity is sitting right here. Right here. Let's turn it to yellow. Looks much better. What if we turn this to white? I think it looks much better for the stream like this, right? Oh yeah, definitely. It looks way much better. Oh, I like that actually. I like that. Looks decent now. So Yep, guys, we are just waiting for closure below. We have like about 12 minutes left. We cannot take buys or sells because it's risky. It's risky at the moment. To take anything, it's very, very, very risky to take anything. Let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know in the comment. Come on, guys, right? Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. I'm giving a free education right here. No need to be lazy for that. It's for your own benefit. The one who doesn't ask question, he will never get an answer. Will never ever get an answer. How do you want to be a profitable trader and you don't know even what you are looking for? What happened here in this news? Let me check. Okay, another good one for the USD. I think. Yep, 1 hour closure will be. I think 1 hour closure will determine everything. All what we need to know, it will be determined by the 1 hour closure. If it's gonna close above, we are going for buys. If it's gonna go close below, I believe we will be looking for sells. Because in the next 9 minutes, guys, we have 3 candle closure. It's not one. So we have the 4 hour candle closure. 4 hour will close in 9 minutes. We have also the 1 hour candle closure and 30 minutes and the 15. Even the 5 minutes, but I just don't like the 5 minutes, so I never like I rarely go there. It's no need, it's just more noise. So that's why we are waiting for this 9 minutes. It's actually waiting for this 9 minutes is more important than anything else. Not to take an impulse trade. So look, oh, it's a green candle. Let's buy. Man, this is wrong thinking. You have to plan your trade and trade your plan. So I am looking for sell until something changes. If nothing changes, we'll be going for buys. But buys is, I'm not comfortable with buys, to be honest, guys. So sell is much better, because you can see here that this candle, it couldn't break below the previous couldn't break below the previous, also this one couldn't break below. So price it needs to grab liquidity to move up. As simple as that. Price need to grab liquidity to move up. That's what price always does. Closed above here. Yep, so this is what we are waiting for now. Hi bro, I missed the move. Should we wait to break 5235? Okay, let me check this for you. 5235, definitely. Man, what are you talking about? We definitely should wait. What do you want to enter now? It doesn't make any sense. Where do you want to enter? What do you want to enter? Look at this. So now 4 hour is going to close. So where do you think this 4 hour candle is gonna go? Where you will place your stop loss? Did you ask yourself this question before asking me this question? Where are you gonna enter? We definitely should wait for a break, bro. Da bar kita. Is that your name? What's your name? That's a little bit confusing. We definitely shouldn't wait for a break and wait for a good setup. If you don't see a good setup, you don't enter. That's it. It's a non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Alright, it looks like we are gonna get a really nice closure here for the 4 hour. 4 hour is going to close now. Look at this. 4 hour is going to close in about 5 minutes. Let's look at the 5. Oh my god, 5 looks ugly. But if we get any closure below, we can enter cells. If we got closure above, we can enter buy very nicely. Let's remove this limit for now. And wait for a good move. So what does buys look like? I am going to draw. Sales looks like this. So this candle, wick, close like this, red of course, close like this, and with a bottom wick. And the next one will come to create a top wick like this, and then boom, it will bleed. We'll create a top wick first and then like this. This is what we are anticipating here, guys. Or yep, like this. So for the buys, regarding the buys, regarding the buys, that's a tough question now. So actually I'm not confident in the buys, that's why I don't think I like them. This 4 hour candle minimum should close above this area right here, and then we will be looking for buys from there. Let's just mark it right here. How does it look on the 1 hour? Doesn't look good. Also on the 30 minutes. Yep. So we are just looking for sells for now, guys. No buys. Careful from buys. Do you know why? Look, gold price already moved. It moved 700 pips. 700 pips to the upside. What kind of buys do you want to take? Go buy something else like a candy or something. Go buy some bananas. You want to buy here. Buy to where? Where? Interesting music and interesting live stream with interesting viewers as well. Yep, should we wait to break? Bro, just wait. Just wait, be patient. Sit on your ass. That's all what it takes is just to wait. You don't need to do anything. When it is the right time, it will be very, very, very clear that is the right time to take a trade, and then you act. Buy candy. Yeah. It takes a lot of patience, guys, a lot of patience. Like I've been doing this for 5 years now, and all it needs, all it needs is just patient. Only patient, nothing else. You have just to be patient. Very patient person. That's all it needs. So we have closure of this 4 hour in about 30 seconds. 30 seconds for the 1 hour. Alright, bro, let's wait together. 30 seconds left for this 4 hour candle closure. Uh-huh. Oh man, that looks very, very, very ugly. There is nothing. Unfortunately, there is nothing. So no need to jump into things. Look what I write here. It is a no trade range for a reason. For a good reason, believe me. Believe me when I tell you patience pays. I know it's boring, but you can't be profitable without patience, my friend. Yup, sales looks good here, but I am not interested in sales there. I want sales here. I don't like it there. I like it here more. Let's see what kind of range. It's about 60 pips. No, it's not enough. It's not enough at all, my friend. So now we have two possible scenarios. We have two possible scenarios now, my friend, which is I'm gonna tell you right now what's our next scenario. Just give me a little minute. So I can tell you about our next scenario. Alright, so the next possible scenario is now we have this 4 hour candle. The 4 hour candle, it looks like it closed. Let's move this a little bit and delete this. Alright, so 4 hour candle closed above this range but not above this one. So let's drop down a little bit lower. Yep, it looks nice actually. Let's this one a little bit lower here. So now I'm going to tell you guys the next possible scenario is that if we get a closure below this area, I believe it's the same as our scenario. If we get a closure below, we are going to enter for sales, and if we get a closure above here, it will be good for buys. But there is some another scenario which is more favorable, which is this one. For example, this candle can move down like this. It can move down, okay, like this. Let me show you. This candle right here can move down, grab liquidity, and then close back above like this with a little wick to the top side like this. So if this candle closed like this, we have a really high probability for what? To take some buys. To take some buys whenever the next candle will move down, create a bottom wick just like this, and we will enter on the break of these highs. Enter the break of these highs to retest the high of the range like this. Yep. So this is the most probable scenario at the moment. It's gonna be really nice and easy to execute, but the hardest part is we have to wait. This is the hardest part, my friend. It's not easy to be patient. Look at these rejections here. Very interesting rejections. Price is rejecting from this area. Price is rejecting a lot. So tell me, Ida Bar Kita, what are you trading? Do you have your live account, or you're just trading demo account, or is it just funded account? Dropping. Yeah, I'm just trying to leave a comment. What? How do I dropping? Spelling. Okay. Looks interesting here. Not gonna lie. It looks interesting. Bro, for funding channel, I lost 5% already. Which company? My dear friend. My best guy. So which company are you trading with? So I actually was trading with funding pips for a while ago, and I passed phase 1, but unfortunately I lost phase 2. So you just have to take a deep breath and just don't worry. I'm sure you can do it, man. 100% you can do it. Yes, just don't worry. Let me show you something, because you are now You are my favorite guy now, so I will show you something secret that I didn't show anyone before. Join. No, no, just log me in. Dashboard. Okay, I will show you something, but don't tell anyone, alright? So I was going actually with funding pips. Oh, look at this. So I went for this 10k account. Look, this is my details. It went pretty smoothly, no drawdown, maybe a little bit a drawdown, and then rest to the target. Win ratio, so I have 75% win rate. That's nice. Look at this, very clean data. 1 to 2 trades a day, not no something major, you know. Who I'm gonna tell. I'm just joking with you. So yeah, look at this. I was trading this, taking it easily and slowly. And look, it was pretty amazing. Biggest win, biggest trades. I was killing it, dude. Like literally, look at my trades. It's all green. Only this one, two losses, and all green. So look at this trade right here. Actually, I achieved a little bit above the consistency score, so I have a consistency target of 35%. So on this day, I achieved more than my consistency goal on 10th. Look, yep, on this day, 9th, I mean, 214 and 77. So on this day, my consistency is only $200, but I got way more, so I had to lose this 77 bucks, and I lost it right here. I was very happy, and then I just passed it easily. But look on the second stage, man. On the second stage, I lost it actually. I don't know why, but look at this. It's just a loss after a loss after a loss. So I think my psychology shift or something. So I was thinking about payout. I was not thinking about my strategy. I was not thinking about my risk management. I was not thinking about my setup. All what I was thinking about is the payout. So that's what led me into losing this account. Otherwise, I could have busted it easily because I have a high win rate, 75 to 85%. Look at this. So between all these trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think in 10 or 11 trades, I got only two losses in 10 and 11. So it's I think it's a little bit more than 70%. It's around 80%. Yeah, but just in the second step, I get excited and look, huge difference. Huge difference, my friend, because I was not thinking about my strategy. I was only thinking about money. It made me like a blind guy. Yes. So, which account size is this? Which account size are you trading at the moment? Which account size? Account size that you are trading, my dear fellow mate. Let's close this now. Years I was chasing two, so I ended up losing and still losing, man. Yes, bro, I know it's difficult, believe me. I just show you my loses, but you have to be patient. Oh, 10k. That's perfect. So is it the first step or the second step? First step or the second step? So I will try to help you with it. I will try to help you. Look at the chart. Oh, oh, gold is breaking. Bro, don't be excited to look at the chart. The chart doesn't matter. So I know the place you are in right now. It's you want to make the money. You want to pass this challenge as soon as possible. But it doesn't work like this, believe me. So if your thinking is all about money and about profits, I don't think you are gonna make it, my friend. I was also thinking about that. But so what if we miss the trade? It doesn't matter if we miss the trade. It doesn't matter if we lose the trade. It doesn't matter if we win the trade. Oh, okay, in the first stage. So bro, now you are down like 5%. So I think you have to. Oh, you have 5% remaining, right? You are taking funding pips bro, or funding pips the normal one? I believe you have another 5% drawdown. Is that correct? Correct me if I'm not. But I believe it's still have a 5% again. So your risk management now. So for this account, I wrote my risk management over here. So in the evaluation stage, I will show you my risk management, so maybe it will help you. My risk management. Yes, normal. Okay, so you still have 5%. That's cool. That's cool, dude, but just hey, what happening? Okay, 15-minute candle closed above. Uh Not that good of a closure, but we need to wait for a bottom wick first. Just wait for a bottom wick. Let's see for our candle. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. We need to wait for a bottom wick only. Only what we need is a bottom wick now. Just a little cute, nice bottom wick, I think so. Cute little nice bottom wick. Yup, something like this. Something like this. The steeper it is, the better it is. Alright, so we are getting to long position. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's why you have to be patient, bro. This shit is risky as it's just so risky, my friend. You just saw what happened? Yup, yup. Just don't be excited to take trades, man. Believe me. Like, I'm not excited to take trades as long as I'm excited to follow my risk and risk management plan, because this is what matters actually. It's my risk management and following my plan. So we need at least 30-minute candle to close above, my dear friend. We need this strong confirmation. You know why? Because I didn't get that high win rate from just entering any trades. For example, look, I believe that there is some people that entered buys over here. Imagine that me and you now just entered buys on the break of this candle. So you say, oh, the 15-minute candle closed above, and then we will enter on the break. Like here will be the buy stop, like this. We will enter. Stop loss will be below the wick, and we got stopped out just like that in 1 minute, even less than a minute. We got stopped out. But this evaluation account, you know what? TTA I lost there. What? Bro, I cannot read that. What language is this, man? I cannot read that. Maybe I will put you in a yes, I did, and log in again and again. Ah, okay, wait, maybe I will send you a Zoom meeting so we can listen to your interesting story. You can join a Zoom meeting, bro. Zoom meeting. New meeting. Yep, just new meeting. No need the camera. Maybe need the audio. Select. I think that's correct. Alright, so I'm going to share this link now with you. How can I share the link? Share, advanced sharing options, link, participants, invite, copy invite link. Alright, bro, so I'm going to send you now the invite link so you can talk. Alright? Don't say anything bad. Just join this link so you can talk live. Live on YouTube. You will be famous. I I don't promise, but maybe you will. If you want, if you don't want, you can just keep sending some chats on YouTube, but I don't. Your typing is a little bit not clear. That's all. That's all, my dear friend. You can click on the link and join so we can talk. A voice call, and it will be much better for us. If you are not comfortable with it, then just let me know and I can just talk like this. So now closure below looks so good. It looks so damn good. Closure below. I think you're allowed to join, right? Allow participant. Yep. I think you are allowed to join. You are joined. I don't see. I don't see anyone. Where have you joined, my friend? Where are you? Look, it's only me. Oh, I see you now. Hello. Oh, I'm doing amazing. How about you? Ah, that's great, man. Great to hear. So, yes. Yes, bro. So, you were saying? Yep, I can hear you very well. Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, I think you should just mute the stream and talk with me from YouTube. Sorry, from the Zoom. So, alright. So, you're saying you are at second stage now and you are down 5%. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. It happens, man. It happens. You saw my funding pips history, right? You saw. Do you want me to show you again? All right, no problem. Maybe after the stream. But yeah, so this thing it's also peaked like in me. I was trading very chill, very relaxed. I was following my setup, my plan. I was making crazy profits, like win after win after win. Rarely I get a loss. And then this thing happened to me. So I think it's factors from outside the trading. Like in your real life, maybe you need some money for something, for rent or a bill, or there is something nice you want to buy, maybe a new phone, a new laptop, or something like this. So you're thinking in your brain, oh, I need the money right now, I need it now. Wait, can you speak up, please? Because I actually cannot hear you well. Yes. Yes, that's much better. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. 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 What? You didn't even get a payout? Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, man, that's yes. Uh-huh. So you never got a payout before? Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 5 527 right here. When? 26th of February. Here. 27. 23. Ah, okay, 23 February. This is 23 February. Ah, here. Ah, yes, here. Maybe you can show me on the Zoom. You can do like share screen or send a picture or a chart. Uh huh. Here. Uh huh. Ah. Uh huh. Yeah.
I lost 5%.
What? Oh my god. That's really
then
bad,
I
dude.
then I own some like some money, and then I lose it again. Like
Mhm.
it's things like that. I have 5% now, and we are the same area rejecting now. And
Mhm.
today I was doing something. I was playing games. I was like chilling,
Mhm.
and I saw in the Telegram group people are just sending a screenshot. They are in big profit.
Yes.
Like, what happened, bro? And I just entered that big like
Mhm.
I was wondering when I'm in the chart, there is no move,
Mhm.
and when I'm not, a big movement happening. So I
Uh
just
huh.
lost it. Then suddenly you send a link, and I just okay. I see this guy. Let's see
Uh.
what's going on. This guy, what he's doing. So until that,
All right,
let's
bro.
together.
So you said a lot of interesting things that I was actually losing before because of this. So I was entering the Telegram group and I see a lot of people like making money. For example, someone entered this
Yeah,
tell and he make huge money. So now
yeah, yeah,
this thing it comes in your brain like I think automatically or something triggers in your brain. So
yeah,
you're thinking like, oh, I have to make money also. Like he is making money, I can do it. He can do it, I can do it, and then you just enter a buy or a sell here, and then price reject, and then you lose. So I actually lost like big way like this because of like Instagram or even
yeah,
from the groups. So I actually stopped social media. I cut social media totally. Like I don't have Instagram or any kind of social media now. I'm not posting anymore. I'm not active anymore on social media.
mm-hmm.
All what I'm focusing on is my trading now. Because before when like I was going very well for like 2 3 weeks a month, and then I see someone making huge profit, and then
Yeah,
it triggers me. It just triggers your brain and you
yeah,
start
a lot.
like going nuts. Not once or twice, like it happens a lot.
Yeah, yesterday what happened? Yesterday, I tell you, there was huge, huge move in sale.
Yes.
Okay, but before that, this this hit my asset. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then just moved. It then just moved a lot. Like how many pips? I can't even count now.
Yes.
Then it's instant buy, like bullish pressure again.
Uh-huh.
I was just why my asset is like my asset is just hitting and then is moving to my TP,
Mm-hmm.
and it was like triggering me a lot. I was going to buy and I was going to sell. Then I stopped trading,
Yes.
and I went to play games. I lost
Uh-huh.
a PlayStation just to
So what kind of games do
ignore
you
all
play?
the uh, something like normal. I love old games like Call of Duty,
Uh-huh.
Black Ops, and God
Uh
of War, Assassin's Creed, and
yes, that's
yeah,
nice. Is it
GTA 6.
online or offline?
No, offline. Offline games is much better, bro.
Oh,
Offline is
okay,
good.
yes. I actually used to play a lot of offline games when I was young, so we didn't have an internet connection, so I was just
Yeah,
downloading them on my PC
yeah.
and just playing them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I
Yeah.
used to play on my laptop. Then laptop, yeah, it broke. The
Uh,
games it was heavy for this laptop. Then I couldn't actually play a lot.
yes.
So
So how old are you now? How old?
I'm actually very old, like 27.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, and what do you do for living? Do you work anything?
No, I don't have a job, but we are trying to do some business.
Uh-huh.
I actually started a couple of business, but I failed,
Uh-huh.
and now going to open another business. We have plan, and yeah, we are well preparing for everything. It's still not started, but hopefully in 2 months I will
Mm-hmm.
start it.
That's
Bro, you
really
sound
nice.
like you are from Arabic country. Is that correct?
Yes.
Which
So
country are?
you don't have like a job, like a source of income.
No, I don't. But you can say
And
my life is comfortable because of my father. So that's it.
so you where are you living now in India?
No, I'm not. I live in right now. I live in Egypt.
You live in Egypt?
Yes.
What are you doing in Egypt, man? You didn't find a better country?
Not like this. I just came here for some reason. I was traveling. Then there was huge problem in my country.
Uh-huh.
My country is I'm from Bangladesh actually. So
Oh, you're not from India.
no, I how can I go? I didn't tell you I was from India.
Yes. That's really nice, man. I like Bangladeshi people, actually.
Thank you, man. Where are you from? If you don't mind to say.
I am
I
actually
think.
from Egypt, but I live with my family in Dubai. But now I am in a different country. I am in Kyrgyzstan currently.
Wow.
Yep, and
What are you doing there?
I am studying medicine actually.
Good, good.
Yeah. And trading. I've been trading for the past like 5, 6 years now since 2019. So how long have you been
Wow.
trading for?
But not much. It's like 1.5 year.
Oh, that's really not much at all.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
bro, I think you have a long way ahead, but to make it short, you have to follow your plan and follow your rules. Do you do that? Can you follow your
uh,
plan like 1 to 2 trades a day, one
um,
1 to 2%
I
risk?
to be honest, I cannot. When I did,
Mm-hmm.
I did it past. When I did, I was really fine. But the problem is, sorry, my notification. I should stop it. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. It's fine.
Okay. When I did, I passed that on, but
Mm-hmm.
actually cannot. Okay, that's my problem. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I actually joined
Sorry.
this trip to see what actually. You know what happened?
Uh-huh.
What I do? I
Yes.
would buy or I would sell. I will end up another 100 lose, and I will go to sleep.
What?
If I wasn't joining to this trip, I
Yes.
would buy or sell and lose another 100,
Uh-huh.
and I would go to sleep.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, that's really funny actually. So
I was,
I used to do this a lot, but I used to buy and sell randomly and I was not waiting for any setups. But
it's hoping.
it
Yeah.
didn't let me it led me to nowhere. Like even I had a lot of live accounts before, so I was mostly trading live. I just started trading pro firms recently and I was trading live. I was making a good profit actually. So on my recent account I made like I think 10% in 2 months or less than 2 months. You can see in my videos that I made good profits on my small live accounts, but after some times, like I started deviating from my plan. So I followed the plan for like 3, 4 weeks or a month, and then slowly, you are just breaking one little rule every time. So like
Yeah.
one time, for example, I don't wait for the closure. I just enter on here. I enter buy here. Maybe the stop loss is big, so I ignore the stop loss. Like really small things, and these things they accumulate over time. They accumulate and they ruin my trading. So after 3 and 4 years of failure, I'm just got tired of it, and I decided to stick to my plan, stick to my rules, and it's really working out. Like I seen a lot of improvement ever since, but it's it's a it's a psychological battle. So it's not easy, but it's doable. You know, it's achievable. You can do it. If they can do it, I
Yeah.
believe we can do it. So.
Yeah. You are actually like it seems like you are my mirror. Like
Mhm.
I was holding my plan for 1 month maybe,
Yes.
but I was just then what happened? I become like I got a confidence.
Mhm.
I know trading. Okay, so
Mhm.
I was hoping okay the price will go up or maybe price will move down.
Yes.
Okay, let's take it.
Let's
Like
just take it. What is the
yeah,
worst could happen? Let's just take it. I think,
yeah,
oh, it looks good. Let's take a buy here, right here. No, bro, it doesn't work like this, man. You should have a really strict plan. So I can help you to do a strict plan. So I think
yeah.
if you can see on my board here, uh, I don't know if you can see it or not, but look.
It's not clear here, but I can see there's something right in, but I cannot see what's.
Yep. Look. So for the evaluation stage,
Mm-hmm.
for the A plus setup, I risk only 1%. So I have here a 50k account from
Okay.
Lucid funding, and it was
Oh,
actually pretty cheap. Look, it's from Lucid funding, and I'm up like almost
I think
0.8%.
well, okay, bro. So since we are talking about Lucid now,
Mm-hmm.
can we just explain like this program is new, okay, and they are
Yes.
giving a lot of offer and promotions.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering should I go for this or not because
Uh-huh.
actually I bought FTMO
Yes.
and one of
FTMO is so
and
expensive, dude. Why would you buy FTMO if you are not profitable?
yeah, but yeah, I bought 2 or 3 accounts. I guess okay, that's very expensive. That's not for me.
Yes.
So I started with Alpha Capital, and
Mm-hmm.
Alpha Capital there had like um you can use EA, but you have to ask their permission, and I guess it's not very safe because
No.
anytime they can say it's not allowed or something like this. So
Mm-hmm.
funding this is better for me right now. Right now for me, funding this is better.
Yes.
And I won't say they are good or bad. I don't know anything, but I just started trading
So
from
I was actually in your place before, and the best situation, best case scenario. So you said you have one account, 10k funding pips, right?
yeah, yeah, right now.
So if you have one account, your goal now is just to pass this account. You should not think about any other account, that company or this company. You should pass your account and get a payout. So if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
bought now like many other accounts, you can just blew them all. Even when you reach a payout, you could reach a payout and blew them all. And it happened to me actually once. I had like three or four two or three top step accounts, and I reached the payout on one, but for some reason I just take another trade and I just blew it after reaching a payout. Could you imagine?
Yeah, this,
So psychologically
yeah,
it's not easy. Your goal, and you shouldn't be thinking about the payout. You should be thinking like, for the next 20 trades I'm going to follow my plan, I'm going to follow my rules, and I'm going to execute my plan. You are not thinking about the payout, you are not thinking about profit target 1, profit target 2. You are just trying to focus on risk management, on execution, and for the next 10 or 20 trades. That's what you should focus on. And I have some journal here. Do you journal your trades?
yeah. I journal, but to be honest, not every time.
Oh, bro,
Uh,
you have to journal like religiously. Like really,
yeah,
religiously, you have to journal. So, this is my journal. I just write simple stuff like the date, time, bias, and session, time, setup. So, simple setups: fake out, breakout, support and resistance, time frame, and what is the setup. So, look, for example, this is the trade I took yesterday. I took this trade yesterday. Look, I waited for like 2 hours and 30 minutes just to take this trade, but it ended up playing really, really beautifully. I secured about 100 pips. So first take profit was about 80 pips, and then the rest was the runner. It reached 100 pips. Look on the 30-minute time frame. I think it does not show well,
uh,
but yeah.
before this candle, you see that it dropped the price.
Yes, it's right here. Look
I lost here. I lost here
here.
actually. Yeah,
Where?
you take the same area, but price dropped. I
Uh,
guess it is 15 minutes account, 15 minutes time frame.
here. This is the 15 minutes
Yeah.
time frame. On
Okay,
this
okay.
candle or this candle?
I'll say the middle candle.
Ah, this one, the red one.
Before
This,
I'll say no.
this. Ah, here.
No, before. No, before.
This one.
Before the green candle.
Before the green candle. So this here.
But the big, the I cannot, like, how to identify this? Let me see.
I think I can share something so you can show your mouse on my
But
screen.
hello.
Playtime, chat, participant.
Okay, I'll say which one. You are actually closer. Like there
Mm-hmm.
was drop. Price was dropping. When it dropped, you are actually
Yep.
there's
So
not.
it's somewhere here. Like, but was it your setup? Was it like the plan? You followed the plan?
My plan was actually bullish. Like I
Uh
will
huh.
buy, but I have seen like price uh, going to drop.
Mm-hmm.
So I just as I told you, I was hoping okay, price will go down. Okay,
Uh huh.
so I took the sell and price stays. I took another sell. Then
Mm.
it my stop loss. Then 15 minutes kind of close. Then 15 minutes just bullish. I mean bearish. Then another 50 minutes you can see bullish.
Yes. Maybe here. I think here.
No, 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 it was there. Like how to identify it.
You should have like maybe journal it or wrote it somewhere, right?
Yeah, my bad.
So what sessions do you trade? Do you trade only
New York, New
only
York,
New
only New
York?
York. Yeah,
That's
and
really
you?
good because I only trade the New York because mostly I'm not free at London session. So
Hmm.
we can just trade together during New York session, and I'm sure
Yeah, I
that
would
you
love
will
to.
I'm sure that you will get a payout soon, my friend. I am
Yeah, I
totally
would love
sure
to.
if you
But
just stick to your rules, you know?
yeah, sure. I hope if I'm with you and I
Yes.
can share with you my thoughts
You just
and you
need a
can
little bit
guide me.
of guidance because when I was in
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah,
place,
just
all what it, my issue was I had just no guidance from anyone. I was not talking with anyone. And if you actually talk to someone who's more experienced, you learn way more and it makes your journey much shorter.
yeah, yeah.
So,
I joined Raja Bank
uh-huh.
Market
Market
Fluidity
fluidity?
University. Yeah, but you
Mm-hmm.
know this 130 bucks every month
Yeah.
is quite expensive for me.
Yes,
So
bro, it's better to
I
spend it on live accounts actually and funded accounts.
yeah, so I actually couldn't continue.
Mm-hmm.
I was just maybe 2 or 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
and I found this group.
Yeah.
You know, the Telegram. You just send the link,
Uh-huh.
and I found them. They are pretty good people, and
Yes,
they are
bro, they are
funding.
actually really good people.
So I canceled the membership and bought the funding tips and
Yeah.
perform challenge. And then how I started. Before that, I was putting money on trading on broker,
Uh-huh.
XMS, and a lot of broker, FBS.
Like how much he was putting on.
I I lost maybe not at the same time. I lost among total 5K.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah, it was very
Yeah,
painful when I lost the same amount of money
yeah,
on a live
yeah.
broker before. It happened to me once.
Mm. I didn't know there was pro from and things like that. I was
Mm.
just trying to make money.
Yeah.
And right now we are in live, so I cannot tell you everything.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe maybe later we'll talk
Yes, no
clear.
problem, man. But there is nothing like to worry about because I'm sure that you know that 95% of traders they don't even pass. They don't even pass a Proform challenge. And you said you passed, so you are one of the best. Like you are from the 5% now. So you shouldn't be ashamed from your journey. I also had many failures. Like I blew many account. I blew the 5k, 3k, 2k. It was all live. Imagine I blew like maybe 20k of live accounts. Oh bro, it was really painful. Really, really painful. So that's what led me here. That's what led me to just this patient. That's what led me to waiting for my setup and just not doing anything like this, just waiting for the right setup and the right moment. So it's not easy, but it was worth it. It's like a tuition fee. You are paying this money to learn,
Mm-hmm.
high income skills. This is one of the highest income skills around the world.
Yeah, yeah,
So eventually it will be worth it as long as you don't give up and you just you just
inshallah,
keep going,
inshallah.
inshallah. So don't worry, bro. I believe we can make it. But so, do you have some days where you don't trade, like a no trade days?
Um, I did, but when I'm in drawdown, I cannot stop trading. I have to
Yeah.
like, I feel like I have to go to church and
Yes.
do
Yes.
something very. And the screenshot of the groups and Instagram, they are
Mm-hmm.
always
Mm-hmm. Do
figure.
you know why? Because like you're thinking about money. You're always thinking about money. Oh, I need this money now. It's there is urgency for making money. And when you are in trading, you shouldn't have this urgency for making money. So you was trading on a demo account before, right?
No, actually, I started on live account. The trading journey I started
Uh,
with live account.
you never traded on a demo account.
No, I didn't. I tried
What?
demo only when I was in SLC group. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
Newyork University.
Yeah.
I give the money to them, and I was trying to practice. Then I
Mm-hmm.
was started. I put
Mm-hmm.
other 500, and
Yeah.
I lost it again. Then
Mm-hmm.
I found out, okay, there is pro from. Maybe I should try.
Yeah.
Then this happened. Actually, it's nothing like the much I lost is
Yes.
nothing like I can recover. But I don't know. I want to prove myself. I wanted to like right now. I don't want. But I was thinking I have to prove myself that
Uh-huh.
I can. Okay.
But this is wrong. If yeah, I
Yeah.
feel you.
Yeah. This
It's
wrong.
very wrong
This very
to
wrong.
you want to prove yourself. You want to prove to everyone that you make it, that you are like a profitable trader or whatever.
Yeah.
But this is wrong actually.
Yeah. I
Trying.
was wrong about this. But this happened to me. Like I was thinking, okay, I have to prove. And you know what?
Mm-hmm.
When I told my father, he told me, yeah, that's good. If you can,
Mm-hmm.
that's really a good skill. My family is really, that they are
Mm-hmm.
supported. My mom also gives me money once
Mm-hmm.
and told me, okay, you can do what you are doing.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, I love this. Like when my parents supports me, I love this.
Yes.
So, but I wanted to show them, okay,
That
money
you
is
can
very
make
good.
it.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you know what happened? I ended up like this, and still in this situation, I cannot stop the cycle.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And when I ask you, okay, should you wait? I
Mm-hmm.
was thinking to buy in, in lower week, somewhere
Yes.
in lower week, so we can buy, and
Which
maybe
one
we
here?
can go up. Yeah, when I told you,
Uh-huh. But bro,
so
like even if you bought here, do you know how many times that this would work in the future? Do you have like,
yeah,
have you tested
yeah,
it?
that's not. No,
That's
it's not.
yeah, that's the
That's
issue.
not.
For example, even if it worked with you today and you made like 2-3%, you will come on the last trade of the account and you is remaining for you 0.5%, and then you will take the same trade and then you will blow the whole account just because it was not your setup. So this is the thing with trading. The less you do, the more you get. It's not about the more you do.
Hmm. So, like currently 30 minutes going to close in 7 minutes.
Yes,
Can we plan a buy?
of course, 100% we can buy, definitely. That's a really good idea. So I was actually tempting to take the entry here, but it's a little bit risky, and the stop loss is going to be 100 pips. So it's better to wait for 30-minute candle closure. If 30-minute
Yeah,
candle closed here, I believe it's a really good idea to take a buys. For we have 100 pips for the next high. So it's enough range and we can take it. It will be really nice. We can also take sells if it closed bearish. We can take sells because there is also range. Like look, it's 140 pips to the downside. Sells will be below here. Look.
may I ask you, are you following price action or something else?
No, bro, it's just price action. So I was
Oh,
watching Raja for like 2, maybe 3 years, and then I was watching Nick Stewart. Do you know Time to East Trading? And then
I mean,
when it clicked for me, I stopped watching them all. So I'm not watching any live stream. I'm not watching YouTube or Instagram or the. Maybe sometimes when I'm free, I just check it out. From time to time, not all the time, not every day. Even I deleted Instagram from my phone. I deleted Snapchat. I deleted all the social media from my phone.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
you
because
like
it's
like
really it's a really very bad effect. So the social media, it's a delusion. All what you see there,
yeah,
it's a fake. There is nothing real. Like 99.9%, it's all fake, bro. Like the profits, and then so one day this happened to me recently. I was just checking Facebook to see my friends, what's the updates, the new stories, what's happening with them. So I was checking Facebook, and then there was one trader, this, I think it's African trader, and he keeps clicking position buy on zero point 0.1 1 lot or 0.01. And he does a lot of positions in the same place. And he turns like $35 to like 13,000 or 50,000 to 100,000.
yeah. I've seen things like that. I just wonder, is real, bro?
Bro,
How
it's a
they're going
fucking.
to?
Uh, I don't believe even the broker will not give such a leverage, and even when you want to withdraw, I don't think they will let you withdraw. It's like complicated. Even like it's 1 in 1,000. So maybe he put this $35 like maybe 10 times or 15 times. Maybe even he could do
Yeah,
it, but this
it's
takes me.
gambling. Yeah,
It took him, how many years did it took him to do like this? Maybe he tried 100 times, and out of 100 times it worked once. But you don't know. This is not consistently. So imagine like he will turn this $35 into $100,000 from 35, and then on one trade he will lose this whole $100,000 on one trade only. So yeah, this is the issue with it, is that you have to keep making small profits over a period of time. So have you ever seen this like compound interest calculator?
calculator.
This one, this thing right here.
What? Okay,
So
so.
this thing, for example, let's say you started with $500,
Mm-hmm.
and you are making per day, let's not say per day, but per week, like 10% per week. You are risking 2% per day. So if you win, let's say just 10%, so you can risk 3% to 5% per day, because it's a small account, and you did this maybe for like 12 months, for 1 year, and you didn't withdraw anything of this $500 account. So in 1 year, you would have like 19K from this $500 account if you get 10% weekly. Look,
It,
19K.
it seems like amazing, but I don't know if it's really possible or not.
It's it's actually it's actually a little bit not how can I tell you? So mathematically, it's impossible. It's possible. Like you can do it, but when it comes to doing it, this is where the difficult part. It's because of the
Yeah.
psychology. So if you didn't have this psychology, and I tested it actually, like I was trying to do $250 account, and I was risking only 5% per trade. So I have like 85 win rate. I will show you here. This is also another calculator. It checks your win rate. My win rate is about 80%, 1 to 1 risk reward, and I risk 5% of 25. I think it's 15. So trades
Wow,
per month
50% is good.
is 35. Look, so if I was risking this account, if I started with 250, by the end of the month I would have doubled the account, more than
Okay.
double the account in 1 month. So each month I would double the account. So now imagine that you can double the account each month, 100% each month, for just 6 months. Not
Okay.
for six, it's actually 12. Look at this number. So this was actually my goal. But when I checked this Facebook and I saw this guy, I was actually going well. So I think from 250 I reached 350, which is a huge percentage. It's not small. It's like more than I think 50%. I got 50% gain in like 4 or 5 days. But then I was watching Facebook and this happened and boom, I lost the account. But it's pretty much possible. Like everything is possible if you stick to your plan. So
I guess I need more more self control in
yes,
order to
yes.
win in trading
We all need more
because
self-control, bro.
I go very well maybe 3 days 5 days then I lose everything in just one day.
Yup.
Just
You
cannot
absolutely need
this happening.
more
Okay,
self-control.
30 minutes is going to actually
Yup.
end it.
So we need this next candle to create a bottom wick and we will enter on the flip. Let me check on my this. So it will look like this. Entry will be above this current candle and wait for it to create stop loss. Sorry, bottom wick.
Okay.
Yep. So it looks good to go
What's your
now.
stop loss? My stop loss is going to be 5234. Is that okay?
5 2
34.
5 2 3 5 4. Oh, this is a really nice stop loss actually.
Okay.
So it's good. The more it goes down, that's good for us.
Okay. Okay.
It actually
I'm good.
created a nice. So
Oh,
stop
I have
limit.
magic by the way.
You have
I have
what?
magic key.
Ah, that's so nice. Yeah, I was using it also previously
Mm-hmm.
on my when I was trading my other accounts.
Mm-hmm.
I had magic key. Let me reduce the size. So you should. What are you risking on this trade?
Nothing much. Only my account 0.25%.
0.25,
Yeah.
bro. But
Small.
it's
It's small.
it's kind of low. Why is not 0.5 or 1?
Because I'm not sure. Cause
Mm.
I'm already 5% down.
Ah, that's a
Just
good
started.
that's a good thinking. But do you know the issue with the funded account is so if you keep like risking this 25%, it will take you a really really long time to recover the other 5%. Don't you think so? And eventually you will get bored from it and maybe you will take just some
Okay.
other trade.
Uh,
Stop limit. So bro, if you are with me, we will enter on the break of the highs. I put my, let me send you a link again. If you are still there, I'm going to send you another link. New meeting. Start. Oh, so I cannot start a new. But you can see, guys, stop loss will be previous candle low. I want to risk maximum $250. So yeah, entry is around here. That's the take profit. We will secure target on this blue. Secure target on this blue line. Bro, you can just watch me from YouTube and follow from there. In 9 minutes, I think I can send you another Zoom meeting link in 9 minutes. Alright, but the buys is above. Buys is above current candle. Alright, so it looks like I am in. I got triggered in now. So till this blue line, I'm going to secure something here. On this blue line, I'm going to secure some position. Oh, sorry, the wick fill. I believe I'm going to secure something over the wick fill. Right here. Let's 3. Over the wick fill, I'm going to secure and move my stops to break even on the wick fill. One more push, little push. Come on, gold. Come on, come on. Yes, bro, I think I'm going to secure something here. My stops is at break even. My stop is at break even and the rest to run. What's this? Sell one, stop limit. Oh, it's taking some times. I don't know why. It's lagging a little bit. But yeah, so now the stops at break even. We secured about, how much did we grab here? Like 60 pips. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Just absolutely beautiful. You cannot modify this order. Please cancel the order and replace. Okay, so we will cancel the order and replace. Here is the final take profit. So if it stopped us out, I mean break even now, so there is no risk on the trade. It was amazing trade, guys. I hope you entered with me. Did you enter this trade? Just make sure you secure something and put your stop to break even. Make sure, because it's a really dangerous area right here and it can reject and stop you out. So make sure you do that. And let the rest to run. If it stopped us, alright, so we got, the runner got stopped at break even. It was a really nice trade. We secured about 60 pips, I believe. Yep, 60 pips. It was a really nice trade. Let me close this order. Amazing trade, guys. Amazing trade, amazing execution. So, give me a second. I have a phone. Yes, bro, we actually got disconnected because the free Zoom, it's about 30 minutes only. For the meeting is 30 minutes, so I'm going to send you another link right now. Just give me a minute. Okay, new meeting. Oh, 4 minutes left for the Zoom. So what happened? Did you enter the trade? And what happened with you? You entered, have you secured something? It was a really good trade, a really good execution. We followed our plan and it was very easy, very simple, elegant trade. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing, bro. So is it still running for you or you got stopped at break even? I think it can go further now. It can go further. There is a high chance it will go up. So in 4 minutes I will send you a Zoom meeting link. I just need to journal this trade for my journal. So usually for my journal I take screenshots for all the time frames, 15, 30 and 1 hour and 4 hour. I need these screens. So our goal is to take base hits every day, just base hits. Base hits.